Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. Before going into the further details, I have a simple request to you that please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and leave comments in the comment section. Now, guys, let's move back towards our main content. Today's video contains a very beautiful collection of hand embroidered dresses, kurtis, kameez, shirts that are specifically based on one color of fabric, that is royal blue, or you could also term it as navy blue, because blue is the new sexy and blue is the new black. So blue is in latest demands. Different shades of royal blue and navy blue are very picky and they give a very decent and elegant look to the wearer. So with that, I tried to make another video in the continuation of my previous video, into which I made a very beautiful collection of neckline or different type of kurti embroidery design that are specifically designed for blue or navy blue and royal blue colors. So I would recommend you to do try these patterns. For giving them a more formal look, you can make use of mirror work, beads, pearls, sequins, as per your own choice. I hope that the whole design patterns of our today's video collection are likable by you. The creativity of this video is that you can also use these very beautiful patterns of embroidery onto your denim fabrics as well. And you can pair up for any type of casual, formal, or everyday wear. I hope that you are liking the ideas, the patterns, and if you really like them, in the comment section, mention what design you like the most. And if you have tried any type of design from this collection for making the embroidery pattern onto your dress, then do share with us about your experiences, that how was the design and what was your experience. With this, allow me to leave. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the new and latest upcoming more and more videos. On daily basis, we try our best to share amazing and creativity based ideas with the ones who are lovers of hand embroidery, artists of hand embroidery, or like the art of hand embroidery. So, with this, allow me to leave. We never intend or reclaim someone else's work. Our own, the basic purpose and motive behind making videos and sharing design ideas with you is to share creativity and design patterns. Thank you so much for watching.